In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a size chart pop-up to your Shopify product page in about 8 minutes without using any apps. This is a simple way to make your product page more helpful, especially if you sell clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, or anything where sizing matters. Instead of sending customers to another page or making them scroll around looking for sizing details, we're going to add a button right on the product page that opens a clean size chart pop-up. No paid app, no extra monthly fee, and no complicated setup. I'm Erin from Shopify Mastery. Let's get into it. If customers are unsure about sizing, they are less likely to buy. Even if they like the product, they may pause because they don't know which size to choose, how the item fits, or whether it will work for them. And when shoppers feel unsure, they usually do one of two things. They either leave the page without buying, or they buy the wrong size and end up returning it later. That is why a size chart pop-up can be so helpful. It gives shoppers the sizing information right when they need it without making the product page feel crowded. They can click the size chart, check the measurements, and go right back to choosing their size. This keeps the buying experience simple while still giving customers the details they need to feel more confident. So if you sell products where fit matters, adding a size chart pop-up is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your product page. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you haven't started your Shopify store yet, use our link in the description below to start your free trial. That way you can follow along inside your own Shopify dashboard and we can build this size chart pop-up together. Once you are inside of Shopify, we'll start by opening the theme editor and adding the pop-up to your product page. Awesome. So once you are logged in, we're going to click on online store and then we are going to click on edit theme. So I'm going to choose on Dawn over here. Now choose a product preview so you can see what this will look like on an actual product page. So I created a test product over here. So I'm just going to click into that. So on the left side, look for product page sections. In most themes, you'll want to add this near the product information area, close to the size selector, variant options, or add to cart button. So for this example, I am going to go to template and then click on add section and then scroll down and click on custom liquid. So this gives us a place to paste our size chart pop-up code without installing an app. If your theme shows ad block instead, that works too. The main idea is to place the custom liquid near the buying area so shoppers can find the size chart while they are choosing their size. So once the custom liquid section opens, you want to paste in the code that I linked into the description. So after you paste it, you should see the size chart button appear on the product page. When you click the button, the pop-up opens with the sample size chart. Then click the X or click outside the pop-up to close it. Now for anyone new to Shopify or custom liquid, let me quickly explain what this code is doing. So this code adds a size chart button directly to your product page. So when a shopper clicks that button, a pop-up opens on top of the page instead of sending them somewhere else. Inside the pop-up, there is a sample size chart. You can keep it as a placeholder for now, but later you can replace the sample measurements with your own sizing information. So basically the code is doing three main things. It adds the size chart button, it creates the pop-up box, and it shows the size chart inside that pop-up. The code also includes styling, which controls how the button and pop-up look. That includes things like spacing, borders, layout, and how the pop-up appears on the screen. There is also a small part of the code that controls the clicking behavior. That is what makes the pop-up open when someone clicks the size chart button and close when they click the X or click outside the pop-up. So you don't need a separate Shopify app for this basic version. You are just adding a simple size chart pop-up using Shopify's custom liquid section. Now remember, this chart is just a starting point. You should customize it for your own brand sizing. Right now, the sample chart may show basic measurements like bust, waist, and hips, but your product may need something different. If you sell pants, you might use waist, inseam, and length. If you sell shoes, you might use US size, EU size, UK size, and foot length. If you sell rings, you might use ring size, diameter, and circumference. And if you sell clothing, you may want sizes like XXS, XS, small, medium, large, XL, and XXL. You can update this manually in the table, or if Shopify AI is available in your editor, you can ask it for help. So for this example, you can write in, update this size chart for my clothing brand using sizes XXS, XS, S, M, and then the list goes on. And then you can say for XXS, the waist should be 23 to 24 inches. So you kind of specify, the inches for your brand, and then create a full women's clothing size chart with columns for bust, waist, waist and hips, keep the same pop-up layout, and only update the size chart table. Then I'm going to click on send. So after I had Shopify AI generate my size chart and we opened it up, now you can see in this preview that it includes the sizes that we asked for. They have XXS and the waist is updated to 23 to 24 inches. So before you save, always double check the measurements. AI can help format the chart, but your real sizing should come from your own product space. Another cool thing is when I asked AI to generate the custom liquid, it also did code for you. So technically you didn't really need the link down below for the code because AI already generates a custom code for you depending on what you ask for, which I think is really neat. It's already built inside of the app. But yeah, main thing is AI can help format the chart, but your real sizing should come from your own product specs. Now, where you place the size chart matters. You don't want shoppers hunting for it at the bottom of the page. You want it close to the moment where they are choosing their size. Here is a good example from Alo. Their size guide sits right above the size button, so before someone chooses XXS, XS small or medium, the size guide is right there. That placement makes sense because the customer does not have to leave the buying area or scroll around to find sizing help. So when you add this to your own Shopify store, think about where the shopper would naturally need it. In Dawn, this demo product is very simple, and clearly I do not have real product photos or a full clothing layout set up here. But if this were a real clothing product, I would try to place the size chart somewhere in this product information area. For example, you could add the custom liquid block under the product title, under the price, or closer to the variant picker. If you already have size options showing, I would place it right above or right below those size buttons. If your product page has the title, price, variance, quantity selector, and add to cart button stacked together, the size chart should live in that same area. You can also click and drag the custom liquid block on the left to move it higher or lower until it feels natural. Biggest thing is do not leave it all the way at the bottom of the page because then customers may miss it. So this is going to be a no-no. Once it is in the right spot, click save, then open the product page preview and test it. Click the size chart button, make sure the pop-up opens, close it, and then test it on mobile too. On mobile, make sure the button is easy to tap and the chart is easy to read. If the chart feels too wide, keep the column simple so shoppers do not have to pinch and zoom. The most important thing is that your size chart has to match your actual product. Do not just copy a random size chart online and paste it into your store. If your chart says a small fits a 26 to 27 inch waist, but your actual small fits more like 28 to 29 inches, customers are going to choose the wrong size. That leads to returns, exchanges, support emails, and frustrated shoppers. So use your real product measurements. If you are working with a manufacturer, ask them for the garment measurements or body measurements for each size. If you are making the product yourself, measure your samples and use those numbers. If you work with a pattern maker, give them your size chart so the final garments are graded to match what customers see on your website. You can also research other brands in your niche to understand what shoppers may already be used to. For example, if you sell activewear, look at a few activewear brands. If you sell formal dresses, look at formal wear brands. This does not mean copy their chart exactly. It means use it as a reference so you understand how similar products are usually sized. Then build your own chart around your actual product because the worst outcome is not having a simple size chart. The worst outcome is having a size chart that looks professional but gives customers the wrong answer. Once the basic pop-up is done, you can make it more helpful over time. A simple size chart is a great starting point, but larger brands often go a step further. For example, a brand like Nike may use different charts for different product types, and they may include fit guidance, conversion charts, or instructions for how to measure. You can use that same idea in a simple way. Inside of your pop-up, you can add a short note like this style runs true to size, this item has a stretch, if you are between sizes, size up, measure around the fullest part of your bust before choosing your size, and that one sentence can make the chart much easier to use. You can also create different size chart pop-ups for different product templates. So your hoodie products can have one chart, your pants can have another, and your shoes can have another. That keeps the sizing specific instead of generic. And later, if your store grows and sizing becomes a bigger issue, that is when you might consider an app. Some apps can recommend sizes, ask fit questions, or create more advanced guides, but you do not need to start there. Start with this no app pop-up first. You can use our link down below to copy the sample size chart chart code, or you can ask the Shopify AI now that you want a size chart, give it specific details, and they will enter the code for you and literally paste it on your page. And that's how you add a size chart pop-up to your Shopify product page in about 8 minutes without using an app. The code gives you the pop-up, but the real key is making sure the chart matches your actual product. Use your real measurements, place the size chart near the size options, and test it on desktop and mobile before you publish. That way, shoppers can choose their size with less confusion, and you can make the product page easier to buy from. If you haven't started your Shopify store yet, use the link in the description below to start your free trial and follow along inside your own dashboard. I'm Erin from Shopify Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.